One thing you know, from December start.
Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Y'all forgive my camera quality, okay? But it's November 30th. It's gonna be the start of VLOGMAS. I'm gonna do it this year. So yeah, I'm just gonna, capture what I can for my day and put it out there. I have no idea how long these are gonna be. I don't want them to be too long, especially if I'm not doing anything. So yeah, so I'm at work and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, bye. Shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. You guys, I hate this phone. It's not my regular phone. This is Bay's phone. Holy shit. I'm gonna be missing too much buses. Y'all, hold on, okay? I'll be right back, okay? Hold on. I gotta catch my bus to go home. Hold on. Hey guys, so I'm home. Oh, don't mind these. Oh, woo, it's that time of year, you know. Down there don't get no type of love. You understand? This is what's for dinner and lunch today. And ting. So yeah, like I don't know what VLOGMAS is about, but I'm just gonna do my day-to-day stuff. So
I go to work and I come home and I make my meals for me and Bay, and then I watch TV and I talk on the phone, and not really talk on the phone, but talk on the phone, and that's about it.
So, and I like last year, December, when me did the work, I did have all of the time in the world. Now I don't have the time like that anymore. So, yeah. So I'm gonna make some festival now, and this brand, Grace, this easy something here, really good. Not tell no lie. So you just empty a pack with a half a cup of water. And you leave it for a little bit to make it rise. And thing. And then you make a festival. And yeah. So, and then yeah, like I don't know if I was supposed to start tomorrow, because I don't know how I would have been able to edit and then upload before I go to bed. Which I mean, I could probably do it, but it would be retarded. Like it'll probably be a continuation. So I figured the day before would be the best option. So I'll start it from today, see what it looks like and whatever. So don't judge me for the first one. And this is like my first vlog since I've been back. Ooh, I just uploaded my last Jamaica video today. But it's December. Are you guys excited for the meet and greet? I mean, not meet and greet. Well, I guess you can classify it as classify it as that, but it's not really a meet and greet. At least not for us. More like, I mean, not for you guys, more so for us. So yeah, I hope you guys come out and see us, cause we well excited. Well excited. What? And then you have these rude people here. They want to be off camera and thing, but they always want to eggs up and put in their 2 cents. But don't talk over their food. You have food here? Do you know what I'm doing? Do you know what I'm doing anyways? About food. Did I tell you I was cooking? Why you, like, just go to your bed or something, bro? Go to your bed, bro. You say you don't want to be on my YouTube. Top chat. Top chat. I swear to you, I'm not editing this shit out. So if you guys hear background, it's Marlon. Don't pay him no mind, you understand? Don't pay him no mind. When I'm used to that already, so yeah. What else was I gonna say? Oh, my contest.
Yo, they said $5 more this morning.
Huh?
They said $5 more this morning.
$5 out of your wallet this morning?
Yes.
How could I take $5 out of your wallet this morning? Are you fucking stupid? Anyhow, so yeah. So you just, you know, knead it and leave it like that. And then you take a dampened cloth and you put it over it for like 15-20 minutes and whatever. And you left that there now. Surprisingly, my dishes are washed today. I don't know what takes some people, but my plate them washed today, so I don't have to do that now. At least not as much. You know, sometimes men are good, sometimes they're useful. Sometimes, if there's men watching this, I'm sorry, but we're not useful only sometimes. I mean, all of the time when, you know, but not even all of the time with that actually, but blah. But you know what I mean, right? Yeah, so my dishes were washed, parts of my dinner cook and sing. So yeah, and sing. Really want to make you happy, give your regular coffee shop with the world who stop me no one. Mother raised me brother, sister, everybody, but the father don't like me cause the man she call me daddy, you will. Spoil you, get you anything you like. Long as you alright to me, alright, me know your mother, that's why I like you. So I want mother like, plus you won't pass the proper.
Woo! The back is up the day behind you. Just watch your line. Slap around and pick up the pretty pan and inside and smile. Real man in your life. Touch the bright coming on the chance.
While you from the state of first time off, you since then, January, excited, yes, all right. That's right. Hey guys, so I'm back. Get off the table just a little bit. I'm gonna put a memory card them here. The other day, if you're following me on Snapchat, you would have realized or you would have seen where I was going through all of my little comments, not my little comments, all of my comments on my videos that I have missed out on because I haven't responded to a lot actually. So let me just go back to my 1,000 subscribers. Hi guys. Shut up, Zoe. So I hope you guys entered. The contest is going to win. The contest is going to end. I think I'm going to announce the winner okay, no, let me say the 12th. Only for the fact that if I have a winner from Jamaica, I could probably take the prize with me. So that's kind of why I thought people was like, do it before just in case to save you expenses or whatever. So yeah, it's going to be open for another 2 weeks. So if you have not entered yet, please go and enter. It's really simple. You just have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow my Facebook page, and comment on the video what your favorite video of mine was. Tashika Mitchell says her favorite video of mine was the blindfolded cereal challenge. She said that was not funny. Yo, I had so much fun creating that video. Honestly, like, oh God, if only I could do it again. Wait, maybe we could do another blindfolded challenge. Maybe not the blindfolded cereal challenge, but another blindfolded challenge. What challenge would you guys like to see us do blindfolded? Comment below, let me know. Comment below all the challenges you guys want to see me do, because I plan to record a whole shitload of videos when I go back to Jamaica, because I am not going back to Jamaica for a long time. So then we have British Robinson, who said her favorite video is the blindfolded cereal challenge. She said, my sister and my brother are so funny. The spoon turn back way. Nobody now feed me. It's soap dishwashing liquid. Yo, honestly, that video, if you guys have not seen it, go check it out. Then Miss Jules BTV said, go on, Zoisha. You reach, you know. Go on, Miguel. I can't wait to reach my milestone too. I guess she has a YouTube channel, so you guys go check her out. That's Miss Jules, JULZBTV. Alright, thanks, good eve. And then you have Marcia, Lord Marcia. Marcia said every video with sexy Uncle John, I'm a favorite. God no. And then Shorty Dree, big up you babes. She said, did I win yet? I'm always commenting, I'm always watching. I don't comment all the time though. My favorite vlog is when you had to drive your dad's car to drop off some money to your sister. Oh, when she forgot her keys. You were so nervous to drive in Jamaica, and I believe your father didn't have good brakes. No, he does not. Or what text me? She said, I felt so happy you gave me advice, and I definitely ran with it. You stay real. I love that you're so humble. Aww, keep the good work. And I know Zoe gonna keep growing. Oh, I'll definitely be here to watch and support from Chicago. Shorty, Gigi. Big up this. I hope I'm saying it right, Gigi. Deja Does Negril said, en route to Jamaica vlog 10. You were so genuinely excited, which got me excited for my trip in May. This was the first video I watched of yours. Thanks for being you, inspiring, for real, for real. Aww, thank you. And then Colville Buchanan, she said, I'm so pretty in this video. Thank you, girl. I hope you do a tutorial for it. Honestly, you guys, my makeup, me just learn. So when I go down, I hopefully will learn sitting from Tati, Shade, Sandy, and Sammy, and Asha, because for them face always beats and thing, you know. Sandy and Sammy have a makeup channel. I'm gonna go subscribe. SNS Beauty. Tati, her main page is for makeup and stuff like that. Shade, her channel, she incorporates that into it as well. So I'm gonna go subscribe to my sister them and thing. Yeah, so hopefully they're gonna teach me how 1, 2 thing when I go down. I'm coming not even have brush to put on makeup. So tutorials maybe in 2017, because I plan to want to do a whole heap of things with my channel, people. I swear to you. So yeah. So she said, congrats on this milestone. You deserve so much more. Thanks, boo. You're one of my favorite Jamaican vloggers, because we're from the best in the West. But honestly, I know the places you go to and stuff. I think my favorite video of yours is a sister tag. Crazy T83 says, Zozo, congrats, my girl. Notice that I always call you Zozo, like me and you are a long time friend. Listen, any of my subscribers, if you don't want to be friends, we can be friends. Okay? I don't have no friend, or one friend alone I have. So we can always add friends, okay? I will always support you and share your page. Big up yourself. No, big up you, Crazy T83. Thank you so much for the love. B baby, I'm the next baby. That far we are come from. My favorite is when you drive daddy truck and laugh with nervousness at the time you ask the girl at the mall if she no alkaline. Puffy, big up yourself. Bright as day, that's my baby Sade. She said, yeah you. Congrats, girl, you're authentic. Yes, sir. Big up the whole of we. All 6 of we are authentic Jamaican vloggers. And there's others out there like Toronto people wanna know future call this. One must know Nika Debot, who else from Canada vlogging in Jamaica. I think that's all I know. Oh, no. There's Anisha Adams that I watch. Royalty Beauty, Danielle. Who else I watch from Canada? Who vlog in Jamaica? I think that's it. And V baby come back again and say, oh yeah, good, yeah, extra fleeky today. Eh? Yeah. You know, so when you record, you have to put on the extra fleeky lips. Crazy BTV says, girl, you have me in tears too. I'm on the year end mission as well. You are so vibesy. Thumbs up, girl. You are gonna make it. Thank you, Chrissy BTV. Wanna go subscribe to our channel, go pre the thing and go check it out. She have a goal for the end of the year. You know, I'm always willing to like collab, work with people, meet people, shout people out, do whatever the case may be, because at the end of the day we all want the same thing. At the end of the day we all want to win. There's more than enough space on YouTube for all of us to win. So I mean, I feel like so nobody not really better than nobody. Maybe some people work harder than some, maybe some people's content are greater than other, or not necessarily greater than others, but never feel discouraged with putting out what you want to put out. Like, if you're happy with it, great, because at the end of the day you got to make sure that you're happy with the work that you're putting out. You can't just be putting out stuff for people that you're not actually liking what you're doing, you know. So it's hard and it becomes discouraging at times when you feel like, well, damn, like I'm putting out this content and you look at other people share and you're just like, whoa, like my stuff is like, you know, but everyone likes who they want to like. If they like you, they're gonna watch you put out something. If people like you, they'll watch you put out a video of you tying your shoelaces. It's just that, like, you gotta be likable, relatable, and you have to be consistent. So remember that if you guys are starting a YouTube channel, or if you have a YouTube channel and are wondering why it's not growing, believe it or not, you are the one get discouraged. Me get discouraged too. Me never think somebody that gonna reach 1,000 subscribers. My goal for the year was 300. I started at 100. So and some subscribers this year, and the year not done yet. I'm already reached 1,000. I did only want to reach 3. And when me did I say 5 in the video, me feel like somebody did I push my goal. Never underestimate yourself. Never. And that's my little for the day. Future called is Nisha. Said woohoo! Thank you, babes. Okay, let me tell you guys something. Okay, there's this girl that always comes on my page and leaves a comment like, "Hey guys, check out my channel and subscribe for." I don't have a problem with people coming on my page and saying that, but comment something first. You know, like comment something relating to either my video or something first before you just come on with spam. Like, I don't have no problem with you promoting yourself on my channel. Email me, I'll promote you at no cost, you know? But just don't come over there and spam me and then I see you in other people's comments actually commenting on their shit. Like, come on, I mean, I'm gonna call you out. So yeah, that was that for that vlog. And then what? I mean, that video. And then what video did I have after that?
Do the mathematical calculation. Or the calendar is a combination.
So yeah, that's all for today in regards to that. Now I'm gonna know what to do. When me after my festival them, me come back soon. Yeah. But that's about it for now. Alright people, we couldn't bother wait. So I have a little flour here. I have the pot on and thing. And now the festival them, like the flour is just so nice and smooth. See there. So you go take them, you know, you separate them into your little sections and thing. So I take like my little ball, I dip it in the flour, you know, just dip it in the flour. I'm gonna roll it up, like one roll it, pull the dumpling or something, and I'm gonna squeeze it out flat so that it look like this when it's done. And then I leave it there till my oil bubble up, bubble up, bubble up, bubble up. And then I put it in my oil. And then it's going to bubble up in the oil. And then when it's done, it's gonna fry golden brown and crispy. And then you heat it with the fish. Make some big one for the big man them. Yeah, when you don't mind the ham, them a shake it. You see me never get loose out of the pound when they did one loose. Is anybody else like me? Like, especially for people who cook for themselves. Like, when I'm making like dumpling or like festival and stuff, I don't like them to be 100% smooth, if that makes any sense. Like, I kind of like them to have like little like little creases or cracks in them in a sense. Because when them fried kind of split, and then that split, those splitted areas always taste like a crispy more. Like, I don't know if you don't understand when me I try to like, alright. Like look at that one here. You see it? You see another them part yeah, when it fry, yeah, it get crispy and thing. So yeah, that me like. People, let me just throw this in here. I know how to make them something here from scratch, you see? But you see when you have them packages here where help you out, you see like also people who work 5 days, 7 days a week, and you have to come home and make something every day. You see when you can make your dinners them simpler, look at the greatest. This man can't use my stove and him don't think say okay, make me wipe it off and make it look tidy. You know what I swear to my stove don't clean for how much years the way to how it look just from the little 2, 3, 4, 5 fish you fry earlier. Okay, let's try. Oh yeah.
Do the mathematical calculation. All the girl and lovers up from every nation. Some of them fall in love, some catch infatuation, but the whole of them have to be a part of the equation. Yeah, man, that's it. Never give the Jamaican dark like midnight in every situation. When it comes to girl thing of them things, we go on road boy, no pretend pamper, oh man. I ain't gotta lie. You know, say the man.
Alright, so there is the festivals. Tagwan. Oh, my sister. Tell me if you got and oranges, you guys. Look. Oh, yes. I'm trying to eat healthy here and shit nowadays. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, my sister the other day was cooking our Sunday dinner, and she sent me some clips of her cooking and stuff like that. So I'm gonna include them in the vlog here. But let me know if that's an aspect you guys would like to see in like vlogs for season 3. Can you believe we're gonna be on season 3, guys? Season 3, I'm here thinking about like intros and everything like that and all the type of stuff, like what if I work I have to do in the next couple of weeks, you know. But yeah, let me know what you guys really want to see in the next coming vlogs. I think this season was really good. I mean, we had 3 deaths, 1 pitney ban, 2 pitney ban, 3 deaths. We go to Jamaica. This is gonna be the 4th time. But yeah, let me know. She was saying she might do it all the time. I don't know, but knowing Kiana, me don't know. Me can't trust her with them something there and thing. You know, young people. Eh? So yeah, just comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see. If everything's good for you guys and you guys just want to see more, then great. If not, let me know down below. I did want to put on my tree today, but I don't know what color theme to go with this year, so I'm probably gonna take you guys to the store tomorrow and then have you guys vote and tell me what color you think I should put up, even though I don't even really think I should put up my tree because nobody really here celebrates Christmas if I'm not here and stuff like that. So yeah, anyways, can you guys see that they're kind of changing color? Yes. Okay, let's see one. Now hold my big dirty tripod and I hold on the same time, so if it's not on, yes, I'm all gonna burn up. Rim, yes, yes, yeah. I can't see the creep skin is down. My God, Lord, my bun up already, man. Jesus Christ. And the stove don't even up on high to roast. Anyhow, so yeah, I think I'm going to pretty much end this vlog here. I gotta go set up myself and prepare myself to record later on. Shit, so does that mean I gotta upload this in the morning and then record from anyways, I just really don't know what to record, you guys. Normally when I vlog, I just vlog, but because it's Vlogmas, I feel like it's supposed to be like festive in a sense. So I don't know, but yeah, wanna comment, let me know what I wanna really and truly want to see. Yeah, but I think that will be it for Vlogmas Day 1. Well, I don't think I'm gonna be doing it for the whole of December, clearly, but hopefully long enough where you guys get some vlogs. I wasn't even sure if I was gonna be vlogging before the time I was gonna be going back, but I was like, let me do Vlogmas. I never did it last year. I really wanted to participation and I didn't, so I figured let me participation this year. And yeah, so I'm gonna go participation now. And yes, I'm not trapped it out no more. See you on tomorrow. Okay, bye. Love you. Mwah.
Give me girl, I'm me rumming on me hand, I'm me rumming on me hand.